Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see the Antutu score of the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the browser app on your smartphone. Now from here just search Antutu benchmark download. Now from here just open the Antutu benchmark website. Now from here tap on the download button to download the Antutu benchmark app. Now from here tap on details. Now it will take a few seconds to download the Antutu benchmark app. Now from here tap on Antutu benchmark. Now from here tap on update. Now from here just tap on open. Now from here tap on test now to start the Antutu benchmark test. Now as you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has finished and the Antutu score of the Poco C75 is 2,71,870. And this is how you can check the Antutu score of the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.